This is 2 cups of urud dal soaked in water for 6 hours. Before soaking, it was only 1 cup. After soaking, it became 2 cups. We are going to add 2 cups of ragi powder also. We can blend them together. I have added 1 cup of urud dal and now I will add 1 cup of ragi powder. Second cup of urud dal, second cup of ragi powder. This is the consistency of the batter. We can leave it for fermenting for at least 6 hours. Finger millet dosa, also called Ragi Dossa, is a healthy and tasty alternative to regular dosa. It is made from finger millet, a traditional grain that is rich in calcium, iron and fiber. Because of its high iron content, finger millet dosa is especially good for people with iron deficiency. It helps improve hemoglobin levels and supports overall energy and strength. This dosa is easy to digest and keeps you full for a long time. It is good for bone health and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. With its mild earthy flavor and crispy texture, it is both nutritious and delicious. Finger millet dosa tastes great with coconut chutney, tomato chutney or sambar. If you are looking for a simple healthy meal, this dosa is a perfect choice.